In front of me is Realme Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start recording. You can use the same one to pause it or unpause it. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. If you want to, you can also click on this gear when recording is off to adjust all of those options. To find your recordings, click on this right one with 3 lines. Then click on the chosen recording. To rename it, hold it and click on those 3 dots at the top right corner to choose rename option and type in whatever you want to. Then hit save. To get rid of it, hold it again and this time use this bin at the top right corner. Then choose allow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!